Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off or restart your phone without even touching it. So no need to fumble with the power and the volume button here, or bringing down the quick panel menu and turning it off from here. You can go ahead and just speak to your phone and turn it off. So here is an example. I'll go ahead and say, Bixby, turn off my phone.
Are you sure?
Turn off my phone. And there you go. This has basically turned off my phone without even touching it. So let me show you how you can turn off your phone or restart your phone without even touching it using Bixby. So in order to use Bixby to turn off your phone or restart your phone, you need to first go ahead and open up Settings. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Advanced Features. Here, tap on Bixby. And here you want to go ahead and set up your Bixby. So here you want to go ahead and make sure Use While Locked is turned on. Scroll down and then go ahead and tap on Talk to Bixby without Wake Up. So tap on this and turn this feature on. So now after you turn this feature on, you can go ahead and give commands to your phone. Bixby, restart my phone.
Are you sure?
And now I can go ahead and say if I want to go ahead and do this action. If yes, I'll go ahead and say this word here and it'll basically go ahead. So this is perfect for hands-free use, accessibility, or moments when your hands are full. It's a simple voice command that makes daily use smoother and smarter. So there you go guys, that is how to turn off or restart your phone without touching it on your Samsung Galaxy device.